What's going on, school? Wanted to share with you a real quick pattern. One of my favorites right now, the Atlas Shrug. Some people call it the bowler door. Atlas Shrug is a slight twist on the bowler door. We're going to put a bit of 45-degree angle, add some weight shifting just to give it that extra bit of spice to make it feel right in the body. The only prerequisite I would say you have for this is a underhand matador. A bowler might help. Just to demonstrate them real quick, underhand matador is this. A bowler is this. Some people find bowler door easier than the bowler because you get a moment to rest. But essentially, the way I think is easiest to learn the bowler door is we're doing an underhand matador, and whichever is my inside hand, so if I'm on the right side and it's my right hand that cuts up and across, does that uppercut, then it's going to be my left hand is my inside hand. And what I want to do is position that hand behind my head. So when I'm going to do the underhand matador, rather than it be here and I'm uppercutting, cutting across it, like so, I'm going to move that left hand to be behind my head and then cut across with this action. So the whole kind of spine is leaped out, my weight's over that leg, and I'm coming across. And then it's that same thing on the other side. So if I'm on my left side, it's going to be my right hand scoops behind my head, and then I scoop across, like so. Scoop up and across, and then you get that, essentially get that going to where you understand on both sides. You add the nice subtle flick of the wrist. It's not like an all at once happening. As you do this over reps and reps, it will make more and more sense in your body. But there's a flow with the matador. You know it's a flow. It's a sequence, right? I go side on, just so you can see it. And then, for me to make it that Atlas Shrug, and I call it Atlas Shrug because it's almost like, you know, there's a famous book called the Atlas Shrugged, but it's like Atlas with the arms up behind the shoulders, carrying the weight of the world on him, although it was actually the sky that he was holding, not the world itself. But there's this like lovely little weight shift. So we add this step back, 45 degrees, and then as we rock back, we put the weight on the back foot, and then as we rock forward, the weight goes to the front foot. And then you really try to really pull your chest open, get that arm as far up and back as you can without cramping all around the neck. And obviously, you might want to shift feet. So that was just one pattern I wanted to share with you guys real quick that I've been enjoying. Bowler door, Atlas Shrug, however you want to do it. Play with that over 2, 3, 4 sessions. Start to feel the rhythm and timing of that. I hope you understand what I mean when I say that. That it's not just the left hand, right hand scoop together. It's not just boom. It's like a flick, 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 flick. See the flick, flick, the flick, flick, yeah, right? You get that? Flick, 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 flick. That's the feeling that we're after. Yeah? Okay, give that one a go. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.